Some girls may want to look more masculine for various reasons, such as personal preference, gender expression, or simply for fun. Whatever your motivation is, there are many ways to achieve a more masculine appearance without compromising your femininity. In this video, we will show you how to look more masculine as a girl by following some simple steps. One of the easiest ways to look more masculine is to get a haircut that suits your face shape and personality. There are many options for short, medium, or long hair that can give you a more masculine vibe. Here are some tips on how to choose and style your haircut. If you have short hair, you can go for a buzz cut, a fade, a pompadour, or a quiff. These styles are easy to maintain and can make you look edgy and confident. You can also add some texture or color to your hair for more variety. If you have medium hair, you can try a bob, a lob, or a shag. These styles are versatile and can be styled in different ways. You can also add some layers or bangs to your hair for more movement and dimension. If you have long hair, you can opt for a ponytail, a bun, or a braid. These styles are practical and can keep your hair out of your face. You can also accessorize your hair with hats, caps, or bandanas for more flair. Another way to look more masculine is to dress in a more masculine way with clothes, shoes, and accessories that fit your style and comfort. There are many options for casual, formal, or sporty outfits that can make you look more masculine. Here are some tips on how to dress in a more masculine way. Choose clothes that are loose-fitting, simple, and neutral-colored. Avoid clothes that are too tight, bright, or patterned. You can also wear clothes that are slightly larger than your size for a more relaxed and rugged look. Wear staples like jeans, t-shirts, shirts, jackets, sweaters, and hoodies. These items are classic and timeless and can be mixed and matched easily. You can also wear clothes that have pockets, buttons, zippers, or patches for more detail. Wear shoes that are flat, sturdy, and comfortable. Avoid shoes that are high-heeled, pointed, or embellished. You can also wear shoes that have laces, buckles, or straps for more functionality. Wear accessories that are simple, minimalistic, and metallic. Avoid accessories that are too flashy, colorful, or sparkly. You can also wear accessories that have leather, wood, or stone for more texture. Another way to look more masculine is to adopt a more masculine attitude and mannerisms that reflect your personality and confidence. There are many ways to act more masculine without being rude or aggressive. Here are some tips on how to adopt a more masculine attitude and mannerisms. Project confidence by having good posture, eye contact, and voice tone. Avoid slouching, fidgeting, or mumbling. You can also practice speaking in a lower-pitched voice if you want to sound more masculine. Take risks by trying new things, challenging yourself, and stepping out of your comfort zone. Avoid being too cautious, timid, or indecisive. You can also learn new skills or hobbies that interest you or make you feel more adventurous. Be tough by handling stress, pain, and criticism well. Avoid complaining, whining, or seeking sympathy. You can also cope with difficult situations by using humor or positive thinking. Another way to look more masculine is to use makeup and grooming products to enhance your masculine features and hide your feminine ones. There are many products that can help you achieve a more masculine look without being too obvious or unnatural. Here are some tips on how to use makeup and grooming products. Use a concealer to cover any blemishes, dark circles, or redness on your face. Avoid using a foundation or a powder that can make your skin look too smooth or shiny. You can also use a bronzer or a contouring product to create more shadows and angles on your face. Use an eyebrow pencil or a gel to fill in any gaps or sparse areas on your eyebrows. Avoid using a product that is too dark or too thick that can make your eyebrows look too harsh or unnatural. You can also use a scissors or a tweezers to trim or pluck any stray hairs on your eyebrows. Use a mascara or an eyeliner to darken and define your eyelashes and eyelids. Avoid using a product that is too black or too thick that can make your eyes look too dramatic or feminine. You can also use a curler or a comb to curl or separate your eyelashes. Use a lip balm or a gloss to moisturize and protect your lips. Avoid using a lipstick or a tint that can make your lips look too colorful or glossy. You can also use a toothbrush or a scrub to exfoliate and smooth your lips. Looking more masculine as a girl can be fun and easy if you follow some simple steps. You can choose a masculine haircut and style it, dress in a more masculine way with clothes, shoes, and accessories, adopt a more masculine attitude and mannerisms, and use makeup and grooming products to enhance your masculine features. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and express yourself in the way that makes you happy and comfortable. We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.